Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change region in AOV step by step. Open the Arena of Valor app, access your profile, and navigate to account settings immediately. Locate region or server options and review any warnings about data loss. If a region switch is restricted, consider contacting support or creating a new account and transferring purchases where allowed, and always note potential impacts on friends lists and ranked progress. Before you change region, make sure your email or phone is verified and linked to your account so support can confirm identity quickly. Log out devices you no longer use and unlink unnecessary social accounts to reduce conflicts during the switch. Review store purchases and any region lock policies so you understand what can be moved or refunded, and prepare a short support message if you need developer assistance. Start by opening your profile in the game and tapping settings, then locate the region or server tab and read all warnings carefully before proceeding. Follow on-screen prompts and confirm any agreements, then complete any verification steps like re-entering credentials or verifying email. After confirmation, restart the app, check server status, and test matchmaking to ensure latency is acceptable and your friends list appears correctly on the new region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.